for you. Let's take you to the Beltway. Southbound right around West Road, downed power lines. Don Armstrong is in SkyEye, giving us the bird's eye view of what's happening there, backing up traffic on both sides, Don.
Oh my gosh, boy, I'll tell you what, sure I'm glad that I'm not stuck in this because it's going to be a while and it is a mess out here. As you mentioned, southbound West Sam Houston Tollway near West Road. Power lines down in the southbound lanes. Now, northbound lanes are affected too, only because of rubbernecking. Everybody's trying to figure out what's going on. I want you to see the backup. Right now, it doesn't look too bad because it ends right back here. Well, police, they're all out here trying to get everybody turned around. They're taking an on-ramp back over to the feeder to get around this, and I can only imagine what it is like headed up toward Bush Intercontinental Airport area. Backups are tremendous out here on the West Sam, so an area to avoid on the southbound lanes at West Road. Elissa?
All right, so taking another look at this on the map, you may want to use West Road to get over to Highway 6 or 290. Also using 249, those are the main corridors that are relatively wreck-free at this point, but you are slow in both directions, down to less than 10 miles per hour. Some of this traffic, as Don mentioned, having to be completely turned off the road at this hour. Beware if you use this northwest corner of Beltway 8.